and we know how to sing.
There's a new Burger King in town. See Burger! Offering a shake promotion, right?
Yes, we want to give Maryland, Virginia, DC another shake. So since we have 75 variety shakes with 17% butterfat, we decided to do 5.9 cents, which is 6 cents milkshake, because 5.9 is the Richter scale.
Yeah, you're right. The size of the shake yesterday. Yep, I got you. And so, how do you come up with these ideas?
Yesterday, I was making a shake when the earthquake happened, and I thought the blenders were going crazy.
Yeah.
And I said, why don't I treat everybody to a shake?
Wow. So is this particular type of shake?
No, it's any kind of shake, and the password is shake it up, like dance it. So we got shake from the earthquake, shake from the Z-Burger, and we're making you do a little dance.
Oh, really? Is anyone dancing today?
I
see a lot of kids here. There should be some dancers, right?
Yes.
There's some people in the background. Some of the ladies, come on over. Katie, did you know that there's a promotion today for the shake? Tell us what you know about it. How did you find it? Come on, step up.
I heard about it on Twitter.
Yeah.
And it said they're having 5.9 cent shakes for the earthquake.
Right. And you had 6 cents, and you said, okay, I'll do it. All right. So what did you get? All your friends decided to do that too, right? So what did you get?
A chocolate marshmallow shake.
Have you tasted it? Tell us. I just want to see on
delicious.
camera. I want to see on camera what you think of our chocolate marshmallow shake.
It's delicious.
You recommend the chocolate marshmallow shake, right? Okay. So we got another convert. We got a convert over here. Okay. Now, do we have a? Let's see what you had to taste.
A cake batter shake.
Cake batter shake.
Yes.
Is that your favorite?
It is my favorite.
Have you been to Z-Burger before?
Yes, I have. And I found
Awesome.
it on Twitter.
And you got something else there too, right?
I got a fat soda and a burger as well, so I got everything.
You're in good shape. What did you have in your burger today?
I had everything on my burger.
Everything, which is
Which is
lettuce, tomato, onions, mushrooms, the whole bit.
Z-Burgers is the place to be by American University. Z-Burgers is the place to be, turning out great burgers sometimes for free. Get your cow or your veggie style, hot Z fries up in the pile. So many milkshakes up in your face, you be saying that's my place. So if you're hungry in DC, Z-Burgers is the place to be by the AU joint Metro to Tenley. Come get your milkshakes, baby. Yeah. We know you like it too. And when you find your flavor, you take it back to school. Z-Burger, 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 Z-Burger,
We got the bling, and we know how to sing, cause Z-Burger is a place to be by the AU joint Metro to Tenley. Milkshakes up in your face, you'll be saying, that's my place. That was good.
That's what I call a promotion. Okay.
I'll work.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a couple more lines. So many milkshakes up in your face, you be saying, "That's my place."
So many milkshakes in your face.
Up in your face.
Up in your face.
That's hard.
So many milkshakes. Up your face.
Up in your face. So many milkshakes up in your face. You be saying.
You be saying.
You be saying. It's gangster.
Oh, you be saying.
You be saying. That's my place.
You be saying. That's my place.
You got it? You got it?
So many
milkshakes up in your face.
Up in your face. You be saying.
That's my place.
That's my place.
There you go. So if you're hungry, come one more time. If you're hungry in DC,
If you're hungry in DC,
Z
Burger
is the place to be.
be.
There you go.